If you've been Googling ways to make money online and you feel totally overwhelmed, you are not alone. I'm Kelsey. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 3 kids. I am a police wife and someone who used to think making money online was only for tech geniuses or influencers. But I found a simple way to start that does not require DMing strangers, reaching out to friends or family, or working 8 hours a day. And today I'm going to walk you through exactly how I got started making money online without having a big following, with zero experience, and with just a couple hours a day. First, let's clear something up. To get started, you do not have to build a huge social media following first. You do not have to spend thousands on inventory, and you do not need to be on your phone all day long. These myths keep so many moms from even trying, because they think it's gonna be impossible. Truth, there are systems already built that you can plug into without having to start from scratch. The first step to getting started to making money online is choosing the right business model. My favorite for beginners and what I personally do is digital marketing. Why? Because you can sell products that are already created, already proven to sell, and you earn commissions every time someone buys through your link. It's low risk, high reward, and you can work it around your very busy life. For me, that's nap times and early mornings. Here's the cool part: you don't need a huge tech setup. You need a phone or laptop, Wi-Fi, and a proven blueprint to follow that's gonna help you be successful. When I started, I didn't want to waste time guessing. So I followed a step-by-step blueprint that showed me exactly what to post, how to set up my website, and how to automate it so it's working for me 24/7, even while I am playing with my kids. So the first step is finding your business model. Once you do that, you need to find a mentor or a community that's going to help you be successful in the online space, so you're not figuring it out alone. Then you need to follow a proven system, so you're not reinventing the wheel. You want to do something that you know works. And then you want to commit to showing up and being consistent. Consistency is going to build a connection with your target audience, and that connection is what's going to bring in currency. It is not about doing everything perfectly from day one. It's about starting and learning as you go. So if you're ready to stop researching and Googling ways to make money online and you're actually ready to get started, I have created a free step-by-step blueprint that shows you the exact steps I took and how it helped me get started bringing in passive income 24/7. Drop freedom in the comments so I know you are ready to get started, and then head on over to hustlewithkelsey.com and grab my free blueprint. Let's get you on the path to making money online while still being present with your family. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so that you can watch my journey and hear all of the tips and tricks that I have to share with you.